Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can avoid being scammed on Amazon or something that's fishy going on Amazon.in. This probably happens everywhere as well, so please continue. Before we get started, here's a disclaimer. So I have nothing against Amazon. In fact, I purchase a lot of products on Amazon. In India, my first preference is always Amazon. I have a lot of trust on Amazon. But there is this small thing happening recently. I actually found this 2 to 3 months ago, but I just ignored it. But it keeps popping up here and there. That's why I'm making a video about it. So here's the thing. Normally, whenever you want to buy something, you search on Amazon and you get a search page. For example, I recently looked at an interesting product called the steel ice cubes. I just made a random search on Amazon and I got these results. Now, the first thing that anyone would do is look at the ratings and the price, or at least I would do. So as you can see, there are very few ratings like 17, 274, and at least on the first page or the first 10 things, this one looks a bit more promising, and it is also a sponsored product. So let's check this out. Now here's the page. Now everything looks pretty good. You also get a good cashback. Here's the price, and the rating is also pretty good. You got 4 stars. Now you click on the rating. The first thing you say is top reviews from India. That's absolutely nothing. And after that, we have top reviews from other countries. Now, this isn't just from a single country, this is from all other countries. That means this product is being sold in multiple countries and still it just got like 274 rating. So that's pretty low. If you're looking at an Indian scale, 274 is probably a good enough rating. But if you're looking at a global scale, it's not. And most importantly, there are no reviews from Indian people, or at least from your own country. So you don't know how exactly the product is. Like, is it the exact same product with the same brand name? Is it like the top tier product, or are they just sending leftover products to India? Or are they manufacturing in India? You have no idea, and the ratings are also not reliable. So this happened quite a few times. This is just one example, and I'm going to show you another one. This really happened for this particular search. So I was searching for an elbow support for gym, and I was looking at products, and I was of the mindset that you get what you paid for, and there is probably some good product out there which causes similar to the local products and offers better quality. So I was looking for a similar product. In that process, I came across other country reviews. So here's another good example. So I'm just going to open a few links and let's see the rating. So this one is from India. We got a lot of reviews. That's pretty good. Now this is from Adidas store. And as you can see, there are no reviews from India, and top review from other countries. We did get a lot of 5 stars, but honestly, we don't know at what price this product is being sold. Is it exactly the same product that's being sold in other countries? Okay, why am I being so specific about the same product? I'm just giving you an example. If there is a mayonnaise, or if there is some edible product, if in US or Canada or other states, if it is toxic, if it has fat about 10%, then in India it's probably like 15 or 20%. In that case, the same product which is sold in US will have 10% fat, and in India they'll probably have like 10 or 15 or even 20% fat. So even if the brand is the same, we might not get the exact same product. So that's why when you are buying a product, it's very important to get local feedback or the rating from your own country. So this is something that's happening on Amazon. I'm not saying it's the fault of Amazon or anything. I'm just telling you, you might get confused and buy a product thinking that this one or a particular product has good rating and buy it directly. Don't do that. Click on the rating, see if it's the rating from your own country or not. That's really important. With that said, here's a very important tip. Whenever you're buying on Amazon, make sure the product has this Prime symbol. Let me show you some products that don't. Well, most of the products in this list at least have it. So here are some products. So these products do not have this Prime symbol. This Prime symbol is an assurance from Amazon that they will deliver the product personally. And if we have any kind of problem with that particular product, it's misplaced, it's broken, or any other problem, Amazon will immediately deal with it and give us a refund or send us a new product. If you look at other products which don't have the Prime symbol, seller will send these products by themselves and you have to hassle with the seller directly. Like Amazon will be like completely hands off. We can't deal with it. Amazon is just a marketplace. They are not the sellers. That's basically their statement, and that's pretty much true. So whenever you're buying anything on Amazon, make sure it has this Prime symbol. And another thing, while you're buying, make sure you check out this section as well. Some products have 10 days replacement, 10 days returnable. So if it says 10 days returnable, you can return that product within 10 days, no questions asked. Like, you can answer them if you want, but even without answering any questions, they will take back the product and give you full refund. Some products have 10 days replacement. So for some reason, if you bought a product and it has some issues, you get a replacement. And a quick tip, if you replace the item twice, the third time you get a refund. Don't do it. I'm just giving you a quick heads up. That's it. So make sure to check this section as well. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button. And if you found this video to be helpful and have any good comments for us, do leave it below this video. It really helps the channel. And if you're still here, hit the subscribe button as well. It helps the channel a lot. With that said, see you next time.